Is this solution for on-prem or just cloud only?
I'm glad you asked that question. It is absolutely suitable for both on-prem and for cloud, and we have customers using it in both flavors. So you simply need to add, NVMe to your on-prem nodes, and you can run hyperconverged and get massive acceleration on your on-premise as well. The advantage, of course, that why the cloud is, particularly attractive right now is the cloud is already fully NVMe capable. So your standard big compute instances, for example, C5Ds on Amazon have from 2 to 8 NVMEs already on site. But yes, to answer your specific question, it's absolutely beautiful for scaling, on-prem as well.
For your solution, do I need a license in that EC2 or a specific type of EC2 instance?
We have a number of recommended instances based on your workload. So those go into autoscale groups, and you just run whatever instances you want, and then you pay us some fixed amount based on those instances.
Okay.
And the reason we primarily are talking about cloud and cloud bursting here in this presentation is because we're in the infrastructure cloud bursting aisle, and that's kind of the topic of the day.
Thanks to Derek.
Thanks, Derek. But the initial deployments that we did with PeerCache were on-prem for customers who wanted to accelerate their on-prem synthesis and simulation.
I have a question. Does it work only on IC managed control repositories? Or?
No, it doesn't care about IC managed repositories. It's got nothing to do with IC managed repositories. It is totally agnostic to where your files are. It works on any domain, anything that uses files, which is every single computer system in the world.
In my specific use case, we have 10,000 jobs out of a single volume that going to also depend on other 50 NFS volumes. So I don't see how local cache can help in this case. So how would you address this situation?
So remember that the way the cache works is it creates a virtual file system that has all of the files that you need, right, from a conceptual basis. So if you need to access those files, they are simply loaded on demand. Most applications will do a whole bunch of reads, and at those points, those reads are finished, you can expunge the cache, and you can bring in newer objects, because the way most applications tend to work is that they do reads, they load a memory representation, and they do a bunch of writes. So all of those are available because we support a full peer-to-peer architecture to bring those files in wherever they may be, distributed across your network.